IKSUNG, made by technological expertise over 30 years, is moving forward as a company leading the global materials companies, and now it catches worldwide attention. Based on the years of experience making creative products with innovation technology, one of the core materials companies leading the global market. IKSUNG ensures stable production of high-quality products by in-house production facilities and patented manufacturing equipment with advanced production systems and rigorous quality control. It continues to establish the trust of customers. The Meltblown process, which is the core technology, spins thermoplastic resins into microscale fibers. This creates a uniquely structured sound-absorbing material, combined highly bulky short fibers. IKSUNG sound-absorbing material is optimized for a wide range of applications in both internal combustion engine vehicles and electric vehicles, delivering outstanding lightweight sound-absorbing solutions. With excellent processability, it can be produced in various shapes and sizes and applied with ease. Its unique structure enables lightweight design while ensuring excellent sound-absorbing performance across the full frequency range. The polyester single-material sound-absorbing material is an eco-friendly product, 100% recyclable. It reduces carbon emissions at disposal, and production scraps can be reused as raw materials. From the polypropylene polyester composite materials to the polyester single materials lightweight and eco-friendly, IKSUNG offers the comprehensive product line to meet various customer needs. IKSUNG sound-absorbing material is applied not only in the automotive industry, but also in trains, ships, aircraft, and construction materials. With high technology of IKSUNG, we create a better environment. With trust, we open the door to a better future. Silent innovation to change the world. IKSUNG.